Steven, we're up here with Motor Trend. We're here for the Super Chevy Week to Wicked presented by POL. Been working on this 69 Camaro all week long. It's Friday, it's dark outside. We're going to fire it up, but it's a car. I mean, it's got all the parts. And while there's a lot of custom and speed parts in this car, there's a lot of reproduction replacement parts. We went to Classic Industries and they were able to hook us up with a new dash because the dash was a disaster, glass, a lot of trim, weather stripping, front spoiler, front grille, headlight bezel. I mean, there are a lot of parts that aren't really custom, but you need them to make your 69 Camaro look good. And Classic Industries is the place that has all these parts in stock, and we're able to run down there and get what we need and get back here and get back to work on the car. And even mechanical parts like master assembly bolt kits. There's so many missing fasteners and bolts on a project like this that really gets us going and keeps this project moving forward and makes it possible to turn a pile of parts into a 69 Camaro in only 5 days. So classicindustries.com if you want to check them out. They have a huge catalog, an easy-to-use website, and you can find just about any part you need for all the different cars that they sell stuff for. But yeah, let's get this thing fired up, go out and do some burnouts, and call this one a wrap.